take 2 phone calls. Yeah. A few hours ago, I and I, man, found out that, you know, General, unfortunately, Tabby, I should say, because it sounds like a King Tabby, a legendary artist out of my island here, Jamaica, you know, unfortunately, was killed. I'm gonna, you know, see if I could reach out to a friend of mine's or an acquaintance of mine, actually, a godfather, a real general of mine's. And his name is King Taffa. And, you know, it's just an unfortunate situation that a legendary man like that could have fall out. So I'll link my general right now and see if I can get him on the phone to give I and I, man, some reasoning and a good insight of King Tabby. You know what I say? I mean, we call him King Tabby, but it's Tabby Diamond, people. Tabby Diamond. Yo, family. Yeah, Rastafari soldier, I hear you up, you know. Me dey here live on Deep Road Steve, and me actually I do a little thing on Tabby Diamond, the legendary lead singer out there. You know, Mighty Diamonds. Me just a hear say him drop out, brother, so me say, me give you a call and see if you can give me some insight, because me know say a legendary man, we know them man there, you know.
Yeah, no man, me eat and drink with and smoke with and everything.
John, no family, me can hear say you cut up about the situation, man.
True, man, I know the rest.
John.
And the man will come up the next 2 months, so we come on together, you know. So,
John, no family.
I'm going to come and talk to the man now.
So you know you what really happened on the ground there? You know you're from nobody down there?
No, something like you know from nobody down there, just media me I read. You know, say them sit down on a wall and man drive by and go up for you.
Sure, no, my lord.
Him die and they see him on the next one and was 3 more at the hospital.
Yeah, no.
That him have judge number for call, just stab him in the leg good still.
Yeah. Yeah, no, my family, I'm sorry for hear that, man. So you say you know them man from back in the days, you know them for a minute?
Yo, me and the man them used to know the same well in shop rasta. I wait for days, the man they said, but I really trying to buy fish. We come to it, man, sing there, we was with us. Some fish and steam fish and doctor fish or whatever fish.
Sure, no.
I saw the rest. You know, see, we are in the movie rockers together.
Yeah. I remember say you did have pick up the whole vehicle front end, man. John, no, Taffa, man. Me I tell you, say, I tell them, me deal with me, you see me roll by there, me yell up, man, and I say, boy, you cut up about the situation, man.
I said the man say I come up the next 2 months. You know, see it and we have an anchor. Then the man for anchor. Why does I say back every year as that? Sorry, man, gone so.
That me I say, so. The man they a big health, a big general, then who could and the man they well known. So
As gone to me here, I don't know, me I live a thing like man, some kids them.
Yeah, them kind of like rumors me hear afloat on the social media say, you know, him son them probably. But a younger youth them, so you can't even put nothing past them. But again, like me I say, where's the qualms? Where's the conscience? Where's the morality? A big legendary man like this, they end up in my lad.
Well, you, them are days of vipers, them, you know.
Why?
Stone hard, and even stone hard more hard than them still.
Them cool, my family. Them cool,
You
man.
pick up some stone and the stone might be warm, but you pick up some and it's cold. I say, go.
I still live, my lord. I can't believe it, man. Say.
All steel mill knock when the man rehearse at the right time.
Yeah.
Over your head and all them things there. We sit down with the after them after working at the evening. A pure crowd, whole fence there watching, you know.
Yeah.
I listen to the Mighty Diamonds, and we are not going to drum and all that shit.
One of my favorite group, brother. My favorite group, the artist, them, man. May I tell you, man. favorite artists, man. Rather than Burning Spear and Bob Marley, man. I love the artists, them artists, yeah, man.
Really? One of them was Police George.
Yeah.
But the next two used to work at William Shop, Bonnie and Tabby.
Yeah.
And the whole of it cool. You see, the whole of it cool. When George left work at evening time, I come from an Aperture police station. He just come there and appear rehearsal. If them not go studio or so, they would just be there. And them a work out a new tune or so. They are not gold steel and everything, they will jump. You see?
No, my family. I tell you, man.
Yes, man, them man, they are go.
Yeah. So which part in the yard there now you say you used to hang out? What area?
Maxwell Avenue, man. Lincoln and Maxwell Avenue right there, so. And I see Kingston 13 area.
Why them so at them same them place that the man live, brother?
No, him I think up in going to Mullines Road, McKinley.
Yeah, Mullines, McKinley Crescent area.
Yeah, close to Waterhouse, that's all.
I still Gideon area there's some man and play them this about them man they are big natty and they are just like the man them.
I think Kingston will live here that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I St. Andrew, I don't know Saint man.
Yo, them man Tabby did get all a bad cut back in one time, you know.
Yeah.
Man was killing me now.
Eh?
Yeah, get a bad cut with my youth. Young man should say.
Yeah.
And look when him come, right tragically.
Yeah, no, I'm gate, my family, I'm gate.
I'm gate, him out, I'm gate. And when the man my dad said the artist man want to come out my street and walk the street, you see, the man I'm gate.
I'm gate.
You know, see.
You know, me just have to just send my condolences them, my lord, you know.
Like from me see this man appear that anyway, Mr. Somebody posted me just say something same way.
Yeah, no.
I'm going to make it. Me cut up right through right now.
Yeah, man, me can hear it, brother. It's tough, man, it's tough. I'm what, 60, about 67 them say?
Yeah, yes.
Why, man, still have a whole heap of time to live my family.
Then the whole of the youth, man.
Yeah, no, my lord.
I'm 3 years older than him. I mean, I didn't realize it.
Yeah, no, my family.
But I'm a brother still, you know.
Yeah, man, I know one, but I tell you, the man they are big, the man they are man will make most Rasta man. I want to listen to man them true, man, when the right man come.
My chalice, man, he used to smoke at the time.
How you mean, man?
You don't know. When him that work. My chalice, right next to him, when him and me work over the welding shop.
Yeah.
And him just come over, come burn the just come burn the chalice and then come back and him work.
Rastafari. All the man one. It's like a teacher teach and the student just dunks. We just dunks. Yeah, no. Isn't it true, them man? True, them where man them sing, man, are just powerful thing, man.
I listen to one of them I sing.
But I have to pick it up on the speakerphone too well in the cars. I must say we're live and I record a little conversation still, you know.
Yeah.
So I want you to tell me a little bit about them, man, on a relationship, like where you do one thing.
Yeah, we can tell you about it, yes.
Yeah, but yeah, sure me say the darling in the movie the rockers with the eye them. Cause I not even did realize that the Mighty Diamonds did right there stuff too, you know. I the same scene right there so where I pick up the front end.
I see him yard, them have got that welding shop at the front.
Oh, okay, so I see him welding shop there so you talk about when I move it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, my family. So it's like a known place in the community that's where people don't come. So
you mean there's some coming like a legend yard right now. But Mighty Diamonds come out the ass smoke come out there.
yeah.
Ass smoke just live the way back that's the way you smell live up the thing there.
Right. Cause the same scene right there, so when you pick up the thing and smoke that turn up right there, so
I'm just compare the money from The next welder we work in the same welding shop.
Yeah.
The big brother there, I got the $600 when I come and stop and touch me and my belly and say, wow, Massagan, and say, I see.
Yeah, man, the real Massagan people, John. I tell you, say, one of my favorite movies still, you know. Because when I come to realization, the amount of artists them in it, man, are legendary.
Pure artists.
Legendary, man.
Pure artists. All the part with Jacob.
Yeah.
When I run down RC.
Yeah.
RC take away food.
Yeah.
And in my yard that he run down RC, you know.
Yeah.
And him go down the pipe there and the only blood run on the movie right there, so when he mistaken, when him flashing ratchet, they cut him finger.
No.
Jacob Miller cut him finger.
Yeah. All him pass out wicked too, man. Two
more man me know pass out too. One of them is the next year they said, when the movie done filming, he jump up and say, yes, I can see myself on big screen now.
Yeah.
And about a month after that also, some man go for rap Arrow's shirt factory up at Bay Farm Road.
Yeah.
And when them go there, the drinks never come in and the food them ask the drinks. Ask the cigarette them drinks man come in and them say no. and them go and them say them come back. And when them come back, them don't see no police.
Nothing.
And me I tell you say man.
Man, them set for them, man.
One of them, 5 of them dead. One of them run down one house under a bed and the bed turns straight now.
Yeah, no.
Gunshot. He never lived to see the movie. Himself in the movie.
Then you can go ask security if brings there yet, then the security must say yeah.
Yeah, them man they dread taller than yours. That's why he meets with Indian.
Yeah, some things grow up.
You know, see. So them dread way down there. He used to go buy weed from him around a Sunlight Street. We're at Gem Road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, my lad. Why sometimes...
You know?
Yeah, man, sometimes the people them just untimely and sometimes I'm impatient, but this year time I just tragic. I just tragic, brother. Tragic. Because it's no reason why.
Senselessly.
It's senseless, man. Because the man ain't nothing like that. And if I really him son you want to wet up, you wait till you find him son.
Listen, man.
But if
me did have a cause in me go to Jamaica right now, if me have the cause, we just come and find out do that.
What sense that I gonna make though? You understand? I just the same thing over and over.
What me I say? Me make them pay. When me say pay.
Well, at the government job that still at this point, cause
sometimes the government not work fast enough,
Yeah,
when they want justice. Sometimes them will beat them when we don't let them go after a while.
Sometimes that them do because them say them no have no evidence when the evidence is there.
No, but them we have put them in a jail and just give them certain time and let them go.
Yeah, and at the time they're not good enough.
So,
no, my lad.
It better you just see. You won't come in and you just take it like the next man will kill senseless and see. Thing won't come in and him couldn't stop it.
Yeah, but that don't continue because at the end of the day...
When the younger kids them find out say the system not joke no more,
yeah.
They will take heed.
Yeah, but at the system you have to allow for do them thing they still because when you become vigilante then it becomes another perpetuation of another crime, a murder that can cause and violence and them things so.
Yo, if me could have cleaned up Jamaica without anyone knowing and realizing me.
Right now the only solution is technology. We're too backwards in our technology. There's too much phones and cameras and different system and tracking device and thing that's available for all this senseless crime to continue to happen in Jamaica. There's certain places where at the other day me hear say tree get going away, but that's where like Hanover because man I installed camera at a supermarket. You can't have a third world country with first world criminals and don't have a death penalty.
That's what I'm saying.
It's stupid. So
you have to be strict, man.
Yeah, man, so 16 and 17-year-old and 20 all the way up to 30-year-old, no, so them can commit crime and get life sentence 15 years and come out in a 10 years and I walk street young.
And I do the same thing again.
Yeah, then when the person, a family member recognize you that, and you get with dashing with a family member, that the person are going to take revenge, man. So I saw them perpetuate the crime. The government continue the crime over and over, my lord.
So you better, the government say, right, you did this, and we can prove that you do it, we'll take you out, I'm going this restaurant and we'll be here to keep you.
But the thing is this, them other outside entities, I go say, that's inhumane. World help people.
I see them going right now in this country with the gun laws.
Yes, but the thing is this though, brother, them want a certain amount of people to get killed out. And we are obliging it. Because we are killing ourselves majority. Yeah, the European them kill themselves, but them at least go stage it and call it war. Because them a kill a full heap of themselves too, We just kill the people them close to we.
Yeah, right now look what going over there, so.
Yeah, unnecessary. Unnecessary, and the man them we are call the shots and I make the big talk, them and I talk about them a ban this a person, and them are dead or for them pick me are dead. Are innocent people, so it's all a trick and plot. So when
them now go, they go fight it, them and send youths them.
Yeah. It look like see a pay contract killing around Jamaica here too. Because some of them youth them get a little 20 and 30,000 and think that is money. The government is here to govern people, and the people them want certain things, brother. Are the people them want certain things, and are the people them allow certain things. The violence, they want it because half of them don't have no value for themselves.
I don't know. Never son or daughter. I know so them are dealing some valley out on the street.
Yeah.
But because them are bring home money and all them things there.
You protect them.
We put up with it and we protect them. Oh, if anybody say anything to them, we start defend them.
Or you deny the truth. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
See, and when story comes to bomb, no. And them let you down, wherein somebody catch them red-handed, the system take them out. Somehow, in his Christ, Tom was a good boy, and Tom was a terrorist to society.
Yeah, man.
He was a menace.
Yeah, man.
I used to have different Tom. No, if me say Tom, listen, I don't like your attitude. You're my son or you're my daughter. And if you go cool out, a minute, maybe I go cool out. Let me have to take you out, myself, me take you out.
Simple.
See?
As a real parent, deal with it, man. Yeah, as a real parent, tell the parents not gonna tell us that me bring you in and me have to take you out. How are you, man? You joke with the life. Yeah.
The whole of my dignity, my name in the community.
Yeah.
Because me try to hold up my people name. The elders them name.
No, them people will tell us a pride and them thing there and a good thing. Yeah, you go on like you're better than people.
Yo, me no better than no one. Because we are the same people.
Boy, me better than somebody, no brother. Me not come in last in nothing. Yeah, man, me better than somebody.
Yes, man. As a person, I'm saying.
I'm telling you, me better than certain people. Me better than the pedophile, the murderers, the homos, them, me. I tell you, and anybody's telling me that, that is my opinion, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. If you get caught, I see him blood you bleed.
No, man, me have different blood than you, man. A different DNA me have, man.
Yeah.
Different blood type.
But the red, you know.
Yeah, but just because it red don't mean a blood. Just because it red doesn't mean a blood. Because cow have red blood, you know. And dog have red blood, you know. And donkey have red blood. And human have red blood. Some people have dark blood. Some people have dog, some people are killer snakes.
Attitude.
Yeah, but if your mind pump the blood and your mind have that mentality, it must mix in our blood.
Well,
If you think corruption, man, you must corrupt, man.
Yeah, cause in the past, them talk to you that generation.
I would know that me mean to go deep in the DNA, man. If you're bad mind and wicked, man, somebody out there you are going to come bad mind and wicked like that, man.
If you right now, most men right now,
yeah,
like their son to come like them.
Yeah, but the thing is this, most melanated men nowadays do come out like their mother. Mentally, them feminine, emotionally, and that are mixing them blood to the point where you will do all some things like what them just do to Tabby Diamond, cause you must have a lack of logics and must be over emotional unless him son or him did come do something like that to your family for you go take out an international superstar like Tabby Diamond. I mean, you must have some kind of evil in your head, and like me I tell you, say family, the hire for killing thing down there, contract killing a Jamaica, and a no joke thing. The man them a kill people. The man them a kill people for 200 and 300 US.
Could be other artists though.
How are you, man? But boy, it's a sad day in a Jamaica. It's a sad day in the reggae industry, worldwide, brother.
It could be all the people who them sign up with.
Why?
Because when you sign up with a company, you know that they got insurance for your head.
They know what you mean, man?
Okay.
Yeah, man, them take out insurance for you, man. Simple. And him probably they close to the end of the insurance. God, them think they're serious too, man. Them think they're serious.
Coming to the end of his contract.
Yeah, man, they know that. Me I tell us that the contract killing serious, man. Cause who better for sending them thing than man we have money we can say, okay, we'll send you a $250,000 or whatever. A 5,000 US. Cause me I tell us that the man them a kill man for 200-300 US. 30,000-20,000 Jamaican dollar. It is unbelievable how.
What that trying to do?
No, it's not. No, them man they drink some beer and smoke some cigarette, man. Him never have it yesterday. That him make you know. That's how low our morals and how cheap our lives are to us. Cause when you done a man will look like you're putting the same value on your life, because guess what? A next man can come do it to you too. And if them find out, they will.
Yeah.
And that's why you hear enough time you hear these multiple killings, people find out and go mash up people who are family.
Yeah.
It's a shame, brother. It's a shame, my lad. But me just want to touch base with you still, you know, and let you know, say, boy, me not even know when my circle this, so after I talk to, you know, Marlon, me I find out, say, Tabby Diamond, yeah, the lead singer of, you know, the Mighty Diamonds drop out.
Yeah.
I know Taffa.
I'm a keeper, you not better.
I know my family. I know. And like me, I said, the way it hurt me, man, is the way the man died. And like I said, the man grew old, and even I say an illness like a heart attack or probably high blood pressure or something, diabetes, something.
The other founding member, Bonnie.
Yeah.
I think he have a stroke.
Yeah.
So they have a dealing with the next youth now, for 1 year space.
Yeah.
You know, and now him come die just like that.
Yeah, no, that means I my lead, man. I kill the diamond, him crush the diamond, then no, man.
Yeah.
Crush the diamond because of the vice and the, yeah, no, my lad.
I mean, I think Judge have a country, no, because Judge is the next founding member right there, so.
Yeah, but 1 out of 3 no good. They have 2 of them now, you know, so you could get in a person like this now. No, man, it's tough, man. And him up in an elder age now.
If Bonnie was LG, them could have still used this billion guy.
Yeah.
Because Bonnie can't sing too.
Yeah, man, and them know the tune them like that, man.
Yeah, they know them right, yeah, man.
Yeah, Rastafari, man. Hurt my heart, man, hurt. Can't believe it's a tragic. Remind me all when the man them done off Lucky Dube, them go down in South Africa, man. There's a tragic situation to man. Yeah, I know.
But hear me now. You see, all life is now. But I say you come to some work.
Yeah.
And you do your work. And before you get in a certain thing where you go all straight, the fathers take
Boy, them talk them my lord, me not doing and them talk them no more, no brother.
Well, I know, me know. I mean, it's not.
A wicked people kill off the man, brother.
Well, wickedness can't end.
Yeah, me understand, but me assure you see a wickedness people kill off the people, them man. A wickedness, a evil kill off the people, them man.
Well, I know, yes, but at the same time, somebody would have do something to him, and him now a scheme of a thing to go to certain thing and to put blood on him on.
Yeah.
The father said, no, me no want you.
Wipe out that, leave your legendary.
Eh?
Yeah, we wipe out that and leave him legendary.
Yes, leave him, make him, you go and let you know. Nobody hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Like, you see someone I got jail right now and all them thing there for certain thing. No, you want your name leave clean. Since something where you did before in a darkness same way. Nobody know about that.
Yeah.
So, but me and you know. So just come. You did fine after you did that way you did before. So just come now.
Yeah, what me I tell you say boy, him son them now go I have big hilarious this man. This now people are gonna find out how I go on, man. How they man that now I go someone. So I love feel good I'm bitter right now, you are gonna think.
Whoever did it when the right time come.
Yeah man.
Alright,
yeah, man.
sure.
Yeah man. Yeah man. And we give thanks and put a roof over use them head still and at least put out some bread on my table with the consciousness and the meditation, prolonging, keeping culture along.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and set a real respectable example for Jamaicans and Rasta man, Rasta people. Yeah,
you never hear them in a nothing wrong, you know?
Yes man, them are legendary, clean man, real youths. Real earth man, earth.
I know them man name of Ras. One of them was a cop, you know?
Yeah.
Judge.
Yeah.
And the next two are welders.
I know.
You know? And them welding the cup together and them make music and them nice.
I know.
You know?
And that me I read up from Warrior King and Ricky General. I say boy them meet them and are just some humble them a soft spoken legendary man. Irie Rasta man. I know.
Well, me not just meet them and go and I spend years among them.
Right.
You know, so me know them.
Yeah man. So if you get a chance still, you know, you can, with a life, you sit in and have a talk with you and thing, you know, have a more in-depth talk about the diamonds, you know, because me I tell you, these are Jamaica's diamond. This is a diamond that we lost in the rough. John, know it rough right now, my lad.
Well, when you talk to Tabby earlier?
No, me I say if you couldn't get...
Not Tabby.
Yeah, earlier an idea, yeah, man. I think I want you to call him in the studio too, you know. Yeah, I think earlier an idea when him decide you. Yeah, him circle me and thing and I show me the vibes. I him show me the vibes, not even know.
Oh.
So if anything, man, whenever you get a chance, man, we can link up and talk, man.
Yeah, I do nothing this night, this evening,
yeah, man, link up. Ask him, link up with him, man. Maybe we can throw out something on the grill and I'll go and build back a vibes and talk, man. Yeah, man, I remember, you know, it's an honor, brother, to talk to the eye, man, and check out the interview on the YouTube, the Deep Roots TV. I'll fire it off right now because I just talk audio, you know. People, you tune in and you listening to the legendary Massagan from Rockers Star, of the ultimate Jamaican movie. Yeah, man, Massagan, the original Massagan, the legendary Massagan, from the original Rockers movie. Yeah, the man, you know, the General Tabby Diamond, the legendary lead singer of the Mighty Diamonds, and you know the man just get, you know, gunned down unfortunately in a drive-by in front of his gate at McKinley Crescent there in Kingston, family St. Andrew. It's a difficult situation, so I invite in King Taffa in the studio so we can have a good reason and things. So Taffa, if anything, we'll link, you know, my lad. If you just link up $5 and say and see what we are dealing with. Come there upon the ends, we not do nothing else but giving the youth them the truth and giving the information to the people them on Deep Roots, you know.
Really, from you there.
Yeah, man, and bless up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
man. Give thanks, family. One love.
Yes.
Yes, family. Yeah, family. So, you know, it's a legendary calling that, you know, is a general by the name of King Taffa, like I said. If you look him up in the movie Rockers, you know, name Massagan. You'll see him there so in the garage. I pick up the whole front end of the vehicle, you guarantee. So more I tell them to just go and big up on yourself. Leave your comment. It's just a shocking situation, my lad. Depressing moment. It's a bad situation for the reggae industry. It's not a good look for Jamaica. Another legendary icon. The legendary Tabby Diamond of the Mighty Diamond has been taken from us abruptly, too soon. R.I.P. Tabby. May your soul rest in peace. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. And leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Shocking moment, shocking situation, shocking news. The reggae industry is now mourning the loss of the legendary Tabby Diamond, the lead singer of the Mighty Diamonds, Jamaican legendary music group.